Hi, I am Onur Gümüş. Welcome to 50 Things You Have Been Doing Wrong in C# and .NET Core by Pact Publishing. I'm a lead software engineer based in Dubai, and I'm actively using C# for 17 years. Currently, I'm in charge of mission-critical projects with Dubai airports, such as Smart Gates and Smart Tunnel. You can contact me via my Twitter address, which is @onurgümüşdev, or from my LinkedIn profile, which is linkedin.com/in/onurgümüş. Let's get started with the course overview. In this course, we will try to address common mistakes with C# and .NET Core platform. So in section 1, we will look at general C# issues regarding the coding errors. In section 2, we will look at primitives such as integers, strings, floats, and how to properly use them. In section 3, we will look at design patterns and solid principles. In section 4, we will look at data structures such as linked list, hash set, array, and we will learn about how to use them properly. In section 5, we will look at some gotchas regarding parallelism, threading, and asynchronicity. In section 6, we will look at common issues with dependency injection, whereas with section 7, we will learn how to use properly Entity Framework. In section 8, we will look at building RESTful APIs properly, whereas in section 9, we will look at what to avoid when building microservices. In section 10, we will try to address some security flaws, and in section 11, we will look at how to properly debug your software. In order to follow this course, you need an operating system like Windows 10, macOS, or Ubuntu, and you need an editor or an IDE like Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio 2017, or Visual Studio 2019. As the development environment, we need .NET Core SDK 2.2 or 3.0. And our source code is available at the following address, github.com/onurgümüş/50things_C#. Alright, let's get started.